Hello friends, welcome to avscript.info, and here in this video I'm going to design a complete website completely from scratch using HTML5, CSS3 and little jQuery, not so much. So as you can see in this website, I just search and I just want to refresh my mind, so I come up with this website, and it's really cool design in terms of design and adjusting elements. Actually this website holds so many contents. And you can see this is a awards.com/website, so you can come in this website and see and everything how they designed it. So I'm going to design similar like this, not 100% similar, but few things I don't like in this website, which I'm going to tell you. And I just come up with my own idea how it should be. So I designed my own website like this, and I'm going to do the same thing in this video. It might be 1 or 2 videos, so keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let me show you in this website what they have done. So this is actually cool. They have 3 elements in one row, and here you can see there is a menu and there is search. So if you click on this search, then the entire, not entire, but this part of the means there are 2 boxes actually. One div here and another div here, which is completely transformed into the search box, and you can close this search box here. So this is one thing, and this logo is SVG. It's not a just a text. This is a SVG image, which has a little animation based on a scroll. And you can see there is a menu option. When you click on this menu, then you can see the options, right? So the important thing is, nowadays a website come up with a lot of wizards, options, menus, and unluckily you cannot put all your menus, all your options in the top navigation bar. So you need extra space, and you can get this space from this side navigation bar, and you can put a vertical scroll, and you can put n number of options, and you can see all those options just by scrolling. So this is a really cool feature. Side navigation bar you will see nowadays in all kinds of websites. So what I don't like in this design is, when you click over this menu, this side navigation bar come up, and the entire main content is shifted towards right, and how much it is shifted? It is shifted exactly like the width of this side navigation bar. And you can see there is a fade. There is actually they are using a background with a background color black and opacity 0.5 or 0.6 like this, but this is completely useless. This area, when you can't scroll here, what you can do, you can just click over this area, and this side navigation bar will go inside. So if you click over any places, then like this, then it will go inside. So shifting the main content towards the right side is no use at all. So this is what, but you can click over this body, and this side navigation bar will go inside, and you can also close it from here, so it will go inside. Do the same thing. And this is scaling feature I really like. When you hover over the image, then the image will scale, increase in size. So this is cool. This is rest of the design is fine. So I designed something like this, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to do same thing in this video. It might be 1 or 2 videos. So here it is. Here is my logo. It's not here, it's SVG, but this is not SVG. This is text with the font family Lato. So actually it's not my real logo, so I can use whatever I want. That's web script. That's just text. There is a search. When you click over this search, I transformed the entire width. I have taken the entire navigation bar to show the scroll, and you can type anything or hit enter. There is no button actually. This is based on enter. If you hit enter, then you will come up with the results. You can close this search from here. And this menu, same thing. When you see the menu, I also faded the area, body area, and if you click over this body area, then side navigation bar will go inside like this. Okay, that's a cool thing. and this is what, and this is same. Close it. You can scroll it, and all the resources are open source and available. All the images I have taken from the pixels.com. I will put the link in the description, then you can download it, and you can also download the source code of this design from the description. So both the links you'll get in the description. So we are going to design it, so let's begin. Open your favorite text editor. So I'm gonna create a new folder. So the folder name is YouTube theme I've created, and I'm going to create a file, and I'm going to name it as index.html. Close the previous design. So this is our index.html page, and here I'm gonna write the basic HTML structure. Let me zoom it, then you can see it more clearly. Okay, fine, this is fine. The most important thing is what you can do to make it responsive and accessible in all kinds of devices. You'll have to add some meta tags. So what are those? Okay, those are just here. Let me take it from here. So let me explain what is these are. This is a name meta tag. That's name is Viewport, and you can see the width equals to device width. Means whatever the device, it will take the width of that device width, and it will be like a application. Initial scale 1.0. This is always available, and you can see the HTTP equiv XUA compatible. What it means, if you remove this line, it will be good in all the modern browsers, in all the latest browsers. Especially the purpose of this line is to support in Internet Explorer. So it will be fine without this line in Internet Explorer 10 and 11, but not in less than 7 or 8 versions. So Internet Explorer 6, 7 and 8, this will not support. So this line is required to support in those devices. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna write a header. I'm going to create a style sheet as well as a JS file. So first, style sheet. I need a font family which you can download from the fonts.google.com. So I'm gonna take those line. I'm going to show you. So this is what I'm looking for. Lato, this is one font family, just add it. And another one that is Montserrat. So add this one also. So I have taken two font families, and you can see there is a standard way to adding this, and another way is import. So I'm gonna use this in CSS. Copy it and add at the top of your style sheet like this. So you can see there is a Lato font family and Monsterrat, right? Okay, let's add the body. Font family, that is Lato sans serif. Font size will be 13 pixel is the standard. I will take as 13 pixel and okay, fine. And okay, great. And the default color for the text, it will be black, not pure black, it will be #33. So let me take the let me add this link here. Copy the file path, open the Windows X your browser and paste the file path here. So you can see the hello is here, right? Okay, I have used Monsterrat instead of Lato, so I'm gonna take it. Instead of Lato, use Monsterrat. Save it and let's refresh it. Now it's fine. So just remove this part and create the header first. This main header. Save it and so you can see I have created the main header, and these are the common things. I don't need to explain you. This is position fixed, so it will be fixed at the top always, and I should not fix it. I think it's not yeah, it's fixed. So it's fixed, it will be fixed always. With 100% height 70 pixel, provide the line height 70 pixel, correct? Then everything will be at the vertically middle. And at the left so left box, right box, create the left box. Width will be 115 pixel. And border hyphen right will be 1 pixel solid hash it's not visible. The reason is sorry, it's the color different. CE, it's CE. Copy, paste here, refresh. Okay, I have given height. Now you can see the it's visible or not, I don't know. Maybe it's visible, so it is like this. Okay, so it's visible now. Let's make it the normal, and I'm gonna put some text here. span and menu. So what I need here a icon, menu icon. So actually I can take it from my old website, old design. So that's actually here. This is copy it and paste it here. And you can see ampersand. You can give a space between these two buttons and these two text and refresh it. Then you can see the menu is here, but no icon there is. And the reason is it is supporting. Oh, it's don't have. I don't have the link, font awesome link. So you will have to add font awesome link. Font awesome. Okay, so you can see the start and copy this link and paste over your in the head. Refresh, and now you can see the link is there. Font size is inherited from the body, that is 13 pixel, and line height is also inherited from main header, that is the 70 pixels. So it make to keep this in middle, right? And one thing I would like to keep this menu option inside div, right? So that will be a block level element. So I can apply I can apply padding or margin, whatever I want. So menu, get it from here and come in your style state, left hyphen box menu, and you can apply the padding. So padding, I don't need to apply padding from top and bottom. So from top and bottom it will be 0, and from left right it will be 23 pixel, because from top and bottom it is already in center. You can see this is here, right? And you can also apply cursor as a pointer. So cursor will be pointer. Now one advantage we'll get of the menu, so we can use this class in our jQuery. This menu is here, the left box. Now not time to work on the right box. So right box will keep a few things like first add the things, div class, give it a class item. So item, and with search option, okay, search. Then what is there? Search is there, and login register, and then we have the logo, right? So logo will be here. Sure, hash, and will be web script, and search will be, there is another search button, right? So you can take the search icon from this fontawesome.com. So just go here, icons, search, and copy this, paste here. So search, we have search, and inside login we will have the anchor tag, hashtag, login register. So save it and refresh your project. I can see everything is just this is the left box and this is the right box, and this is the natural behavior of your browser. Every div level elements will be like a stack instead of just side by side. So I'm going to use we have option of float. We can float this two elements, but nowadays people love to use flex properties. So let me use the flex, and that is better than float. So here I'm gonna use to use flex, we'll have to define the parent element as a flex level element. So here is our parent element main header, which contains two divs, that is left and right. So main header I'm going to define as a parent level. So I'm going to define this main header as a flex box. Here style.css, and we already have main header. So just say here display flex. It will be side by side. Now this is the left, this is the right. And another thing, we have this is a right box side by side, but inside the right box we have three divs. That is also the natural behavior of browser. So we are going to define this is also as a flex element. So where is our right? Left main header, and right we don't have. Right hyphen box and say display flex. I can see this is side by side, search, login, register, web script. So the first thing, I want to make the make my logo web script in the center of this this top navigation bar, without the care of anything. So this should be always in the center. Whatever other things, wherever they are, I don't care. So just make it this in the center. Okay, that's here. And you can see there's a logo, so that's the class logo dot logo. Or just write logo, or you can say dot. So dot right box and logo. Save. And here I'm gonna say, what is this? This is a div level element log in, and inside this I have anchor tag. So anchor tag, get the anchor tag, save it, and say the color will be black, not black, little lower than black, and font size will be I think 20 pixel is great. Font size 20 pixel, and font family is by default monster, that is good. And okay, that's it. Line height, I don't require line height. Okay, so apply the position absolute, and give it a left 50%. So to make this work left, the position will be either absolute or relative, but in this case absolute is fine, relative is not required, and I will let you know the reason why. So refresh it, and you can see the web script is here. Just remove the text decoration feature, say none, and as you can see, I have given the left 50%. This is the midpoint of the navigation bar. So the logo should be little here. So I think S will be here. So there is another property CSS, that is transform and translate Y. So no, not Y, it's X. I want to shift my logo in x-axis just exactly half of the width of the logo. So I will say negative 50%. Now it is in center. Make it bold. And increase the font size. That is cool. It's too much. So 30. No, this is fine. So we have our search, we have our logo in the center, and we have a login or register. So one thing I'm forgetting, that is my button, subscribe button, right? So just give it here, give it a class. So this is another item, and I'm gonna say that's a span or a tag, hashtag, and okay, that's actually subscribe, right? So this is, as you can see, subscribe is here. So the order is first search, then login, register, then subscribe. So what I'm going to I want this subscribe at the end. When you define your container as a flex element, then it will by default take from the left side, and it will be from the left side it will be side by side, but you can change the position. Instead of left you can do it from the right. That is the flex start. Instead of starting from the left, you can start it from the right. So I'm gonna do that thing here. So this is our right flex box, and here I'm gonna say justify content, and flex should be start from end instead of the start. It's not working. It will not work until and unless you'll provide flex 1. Whenever you are going to use justify content, then this flex 1 is required. This is constant, not going to change. It will always be 1. You can see that everything is going to begin from the end. So search, login, register. Now again I want to this search from this side and this login, register this side, right? So I want to break from the here. So subscribe will be there, will be the end, and I'm going to define this login, register again as a flex. So it's easy. We have already defined as a flex level element, and we just need to say login. That is already defined, right? So where is our login? We don't have. Say here login flex 1, and justify content flex, instead of end, start, flex start, and that's it. So you can see that's here. Search, login, register. Now just inspect, then you can see it better. So this is our search, this is our entire div, and this is our subscribe. So what I want to do, this login, register should be here, so it's easy to give it just a text line of right side. Text line. If you have any doubts about regarding the flex, you can ask me directly in my Facebook page. You can comment in the video section below the video, and you can ask anything. So you can see the login, register just out here. You can see the default nature of anchor tag is blue with the bottom line, right? So I just want to change it. And I want to say the color will always be, anchor tag color will always be, I have mic in my face, in front of my face, and my mic is large, so I can't see my keyboard clearly. So that's why I'm facing a little problem. Don't think I'm doing it unknowingly. So just change the color and say the text decoration none. This is fine, right? And I want to give a little padding from the left and right side, right? So I already given class items, this item. So just say here padding from top and bottom it will be 0, because there is already line height 70 pixels, so it is already in center, vertically center. This is fine, right? So this is now looking like this. This is cool, and this should be the clickable, right? And this is login register. Font weight, bold, text hyphen, transform, uppercase, and that's cool. Another thing is subscribe button. That's the anchor tag item class subscribe. So let's design our subscribe button. So here you can see, just inspect the element and you can design it from here. Class subscribe, we didn't define it, so just item dot subscribe. Okay, change it. You can see the item subscribe is here, and let's apply the background color. Then you will come up with the knowledge of what anchor tag is, what level of element it is. Background color hashtag 83C11F. You can see this is just cover the text, not the entire width and height, because the anchor tag is the inline element, and it's not a block level element. So to make it a block level element, we'll have to say display and inline block. Now you can see it's a block level element. Now it's block level element and it's covered the entire width and the height. But you can see there is a little space, and it's because I have given the class item here, which is not required. And actually this is not the reason. If you inspect it, then you can see, okay, that's and this is item.logo, right? So this is, you have given item, you have given absolute, right? Absolute position to this logo, and then now you can float it, or you can change the position using left, right, top, bottom features. So it doesn't require the padding, and it is taking padding because of this item class, because of this item class in logo. So we'll have to remove this item class. It is not required. So just remove where is this one? Now it's fine. Here you can design our elements. You can say here greater than, or so it will take item, and inside the item there is a subscribe button. And you can just write it like this also, because there is no another class with the subscribe. So you can like this, and just design it. Display inline block, and width will be 200 pixel, height will be 70 pixel, background color will be hashtag 83C11F, and text align will be center. Okay, fine. Refresh it. It's still there is little padding, and it's because of this padding, because it also has a class item, so it doesn't require it, right? Okay, it's because of this item, and we can do the padding 0 for this, or yeah, you can say we can't say item padding 0. What we can do, just remove this item class and take this subscribe class from here and paste here, and remove this class also. Save it, and just come here and remove this item and anchor tag, save. Now it's fine. Okay, so let's apply the color. White. Font size will be 14 pixel. Yeah, I hope 14 pixel is fine. Okay, it's not 14 pixel, so it's actually 16 pixel, or I think font weight bold. Okay, now we required a icon, which you can take it from here. So just type here users. Paste here, and to give a space between the subscribe and the icon, so just say here non-breaking space ampersand NBSP, non-breaking space. So that's it. We have our subscribe button, we have log and register, and we have search option, we have menu. So friends, if you like this video and you are watching it up to now here, and you want me to continue this video, you want me to continue the next part of this video, so just let me know in the comment section, then I will continue this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you're going to learn so many things in a very professional way, right? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.